1. Coronary bypass surgery is used to. 2. A bypass is usually created using. 3. Which blood vessel is commonly used in bypass surgery? 4. The main purpose of coronary bypass surgery is to. 5. Coronary bypass is usually done when. 6. How many bypasses can be done in one surgery? 7. Coronary bypass surgery improves. 8. Which lifestyle factor increases need for bypass surgery? 9. A successful coronary bypass can prevent. 10. Coronary bypass is a type of. 11. Open heart surgery involves. 12. Which of the following procedures is considered open heart surgery? 13. Open heart surgery often requires the use of a P. 14. The heart-lung machine is used to. 15. Open heart surgery can be used to. 16. One major risk of open heart surgery is. 17. Recovery time after open heart surgery is usually. 18. Which condition often requires open heart surgery? 19. Open heart surgery is performed by. 20. Open heart surgery is considered.